So today I'm gonna show you a nice recipe that I do with small baby tomatoes. It's very good. My kids love it also, and that's the most important thing for me because my kids are very picky eaters and we actually love it. So I took a pint of extra sweet grape tomatoes. I cut them in half like this here, as you see. Then I take some white sesame seeds, and I do about, like, let me show you. I use about half a tablespoon. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. Okay, then I take toasted sesame oil and I put 1 tablespoon of that. It gives that delicious taste and flavor mixed with the sesame seed. Is just amazing. Then I take imitation distilled vinegar and I do half a tablespoon of it. So half a tablespoon of this vinegar right in here. With the salt, I do just a pinch. So I have this cute little like measuring spoon, so just a pinch. And really with the salt, usually I say do what you really like. So here I'm putting just a pinch really. And if you feel that you need more, I usually add a little bit more, because the vinegar also gives it. Also another half of this I would use for my flavor, kind of. And then I would mix this up. If your family doesn't like the vinegar, not everybody likes the vinegar, you can definitely adjust that according to your needs. But the vinegar and the toasted sesame oil kind of give that unique taste to mix together with the sesame seeds. So hopefully you enjoy this kind of salad. It goes great with any meal. I tried it with different meals. It's excellent. It's delicious. Hopefully you enjoy it as well.